How to turn off app notifications on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Notifications. Notification settings allow users to customize how they receive alerts from various apps, controlling what is displayed, where it's displayed, and when it's displayed. On this page, scroll down to find the app you want to turn off notifications for. For example, Bumble. You can manage this app notification settings from here. Here, turn off the Allow Notifications switch at the top. You have now successfully turned off notifications for this app. You can repeat this to turn off notifications for the other apps as well. Following these steps, you can easily turn off app notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.